Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82, and today we're going to be showing you a nice little hack. Yes, I'm working on a car. I know what you're going to say. That's not a semi-truck. Oh, that's all right. Nope, it's the weekend and had to help fix a tire on this thing, and so I figured, was looking at the headlamps on these, and these are kind of hazed over. Not as bad as some of the ones out there, but little bitty trick I learned a number of years back, especially for those of y'all that remember the Columbias and then the Cascadias as well, that just had the regular H11 bulb setup headlights. They would haze over also. And one quick little thing that I learned, which also works on the automotive side too, is using a polishing style compound. You can use 3M Extra Cut, this rubbing compound, a number of other different polishing compounds out there. I prefer the liquid when doing this for getting some of this haze cleared up. Now, camera angle at this, I'm getting a little bit of glare across the top here from the lights, so how well this turns out, I don't know, but if I can bring y'all in and show y'all. See towards the top there's quite a bit, and then there's some scratches. Oh, get this set back in. Having to roll around on my cart because my back's a little messed up today. Gotta love getting old. And yeah, for those of y'all that finally went that route. But what you'll do, just take a rag. We're just going to put a little bit on here and just a little bit on there as well. This is a little bit waterier than I prefer, but we're going to go ahead, start rubbing this on. Just real easy process. And just like any other polishing compounds, you can use white diamond, 3M Extra Cut like I was saying. Start rubbing it in. Real quick, easy little hack. And do little bitty circles. You can use a buffer wheel if you want. You can use a rag like I'm doing, which makes it real easy. Back and forth. And once she starts to come off, she gets a lot clearer. See, getting some, oh, some of that's from the inside. Looks like it had condensation at some point. So rather than go out and spend a lot of money on a headlight polishing kit that costs upwards of, 20 some odd bucks, that has pretty much like a once or twice use setup in it, or at least enough for one set of headlights. This is a lot cheaper option. You can buy a bottle of this that'll last forever, and even if you use it polishing other products, like say do some metal work or something, it's got multiple uses. And voila. And we're just going to take a little bit of glass cleaner. That up there, set that right here, take a cleaning rag, and voila, that's a lot better. Oops. Let's get you guys up close, see how much better that turned out. Yeah, I'm still getting a little bit of glare right there, but it's a lot more clear than what she was. So, I know, I actually put out something other than a tool video or a semi-truck CNG video. Get a surprise every now and then, but just quick, easy, little bitty hack to clear up some of those fogged over or faded out or hazed over lights. And, yep, heck of a lot cheaper. Y'all take care, and remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody can die, and, yeah, did this just in time for winter. Woohoo! Look at all that glare. Yikes. Makes me wonder, what else it'll polish? Just kidding. Catch y'all later.